Now before I start this video, I want to tell you all that my channel Joeboy Techie has completed 500 subscribers, and I know it's a very small milestone and there's a lot to achieve in future, but it gives a lot of motivation to me. And this is all because of you guys. Thank you all for showing your love and support, and keep doing that so that I get motivated to bring more informative stuff for you. I'm having a lot of plans for the future, so if things work out well, then I'll surely implement them. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joeboy Techie. Hope you all are doing fine. It's been almost 4 months since the launch of the OnePlus 8T, but its dominance in the smartphone market is still there, mainly because of some of the features that stand out. So much so that people still consider the OnePlus 8T over the OnePlus 8 Pro, even though the OnePlus 8 Pro is packed with some flagship level features and gave a tough competition to Samsung and Apple. So here's me telling you 8 things I love about the OnePlus 8T and why you should still consider this phone in 2021. Number 1, the build quality. Now with time, the era of that glossy back is fading away, and the OnePlus 8T proves exactly that. You get Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and back of the device. No curved edges on the front of the screen, although curved edges do look premium. But there are many people out there who prefer a flat screen. I'm not a big fan of the camera design as it reminds me of many other smartphones from Oppo and Vivo, but you'll eventually get used to that. The smartphone is quite slim and weighs only 188 grams, which in my opinion is great. Number 2, the 120Hz fluid display. This is the best refresh rate that you can get in a smartphone. Even a 90Hz display is almost the same, and more than 120 is not going to benefit a smartphone, at least for now. You can even switch to 60Hz in case that higher refresh rate does not matter to you. The OnePlus 8T comes with a full HD resolution and a pixel density of 402 ppi. Not one of the brightest displays in comparison to many others, but that 120Hz refresh rate is going to grab your attention always whenever you unlock the phone and scroll through the menu for no reason like we all do. Number 3, the battery life. Now the OnePlus 8T packs a 4500 mAh battery, which sounds very average in comparison to all the other smartphones. But trust me, it's different on the OnePlus 8T. The hardware is perfectly optimized with the software of the device. Even with the always-on display active and 120Hz enabled, you could easily get around 7 to 7.5 hours of battery life on this. Number 4, the support for 65-watt warp charging. Now I know I could include this in battery life itself, but the 65-watt charging brick that was provided by OnePlus is capable of doing better than the others. OnePlus claims that you can even charge your laptop that supports USB Type-C charging, thus making this charging brick ready for your future devices, and you can avoid carrying a charger for every device. Number 5, gaming. Now the OnePlus 8T comes with top-of-the-line specifications like 8GB or 12GB DDR4 RAM and a Snapdragon 865 chipset. But the game mode on this smartphone is something special. When you swipe down from the top right, you get the phone temperature indication and the battery indication. Then you get quick access to apps like WhatsApp and Instagram, and because of this there's no need to minimize the game. Then you even get the Fanatic mode, which is kind of a feature that disables everything to just let you concentrate on your game. Then the option to disable notifications, the very useful mistouch prevention, and also screen recording. Now I've always been a Samsung user, but some of these features are something that I've always wanted on a smartphone. Number 6, the dual speakers. Dual speakers is now a common feature in many smartphones, but the one on the OnePlus 8T will blow you away. The overall volume is quite loud, and even at 50 to 60% volume, you'll have an amazing experience while watching a movie or a YouTube video. Here's a sample of the speaker quality.
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy.
Number 7, the connectivity features. Now the OnePlus 8T comes with a faster Wi-Fi 6 technology that allows faster rate of data transfer. You can clearly see the difference in the speeds of the OnePlus 8T and my S10 Plus, and they both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You even get the support for NFC, which most smartphone manufacturers silently eliminate, and not to forget the support for USB 3.1 for higher data transfer. And the final one, the price. 42,999 is what you have to pay if you want the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage option, and 45,999 for the 12GB RAM 256GB variant, which is actually a sweet deal taking into consideration all the future ready features that you get in this smartphone. And you could even get the smartphone for as low as 38,000 during any sale or bank discounts. Well, if you've done a lot of research about which smartphone you should buy in 2021 and you've narrowed down to the OnePlus 8T, then my suggestion would be don't hesitate, just buy it. This is certainly one of the best OnePlus phones out there. And guys, do mention in the comment section what you like about the OnePlus 8T and let me know if you want me to share more of my experience with this smartphone. Guys, if you like this video or if you found it informative, then hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, take care of yourself till then, see you next time.